tal amigas y amigos coleccionistas? Bienvenidos a otro video. Welcome everyone to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. We have a very good one for today. We got a factory fresh Stingray, a GT40, and a Vespa. Very beautiful castings. Pretty much these are stocked vehicles from factory fresh. That's what it means, that it comes straight from the factory. And there it is. This is a 72 Stingray convertible. We got a GT40. Very awesome and beautiful GT40, man. It's one of my favorites. And we got a Vespa 90 SS or 55, I'm not sure right there. I think it's SS because it looks like the Super Sprint 1966. Has a little bit of detail there, but we'll get to that. So you know what? Let's do the Vespa first. So here in the back of the card, it says was born 1966, Pontedera, Italy. Ride to the city on this sporty scooter of extreme rarity. It features coil spring and hydraulic shock absorbers on both wheels, a two-stroke single cylinder engine, and drum brakes. Very cool. So this is the Vespa in red. I've already seen it in blue, and I needed to pick that one up too. So let's get into it. Very cool Vespa. Pretty much I did get this one because I like motorcycles, and I haven't seen a Vespa in Hot Wheels. And plus, my kids love the movie Luca from Disney and Pixar, and this is something that the characters strive to get. So I'm gonna give this one to my kid so they can play with it. So this Vespa is very cool. I like that it has a third wheel in the center. And that's where the little circle, if you ever buy it and then you feel it up, and it has a one extra wheel there. Very cool. It has a little stand. Nice. So you should be able to stand. I like that. Not all motorcycles can stand on the table on a flat surface. This one might need like the light, the tempo. We got a little bit of details, not too much. We got the Hot Wheel logo on the rear bottom part, and nice and black seat. This is a very cute and cool, unique piece to have. Very nice. Probably I'm gonna keep that there. My wife also loved that one when she saw it. She's like, that one's cute. So pretty much, yeah, I had to have it. So I need to get the blue one. I do want to get the other ones, the variety, to have more of different colors. So yeah, now let's go to this one, the Stingray. Stingray is one of many of my favorite cars. So I do collect these, not all the time, but I had to pick this one up because it's, man, in pure white. Very cool. So this is 72 Stingray convertible. There we are. Factory fresh. Very nice. Open it up. Check that out. Nice. So the headlights are in blue transparent plastic. You can see that they are the casting has a little opening there on the headlights, and they're popping out a little bit, so it looks like a real life Stingray car, that the headlights pop out of the hood. And very nice. So we got this small details on the bumper in chrome. Not much detail on this car. Like I said, factory fresh. I love those wheels. Those wheels look nice on this one. Very cool detail there on the license plate, Stingray, and the Hot Wheel logo, and the rear lights. Nice. We got chrome interior. Imagine having chrome seating and steering wheel. Burn your ass off, man. Yeah, awesome car. Very beautiful casting right there in pearly white. Looks super cool. Oh, and I like the bottom, also white. So it's all white in the chrome is a good accentuates the car, I guess. I don't know if I'm using my words right, my vocabulary. But awesome piece. I love that one. And let's go with the next one. It is the Ford GT40. Very beautiful car, man. I love this one since I learned what it was, and since I was a kid. I've always seen this one and always thought it was super dope. And I love the color, but we'll get into that in a little bit. Let's crack it open and let it breathe. Look at that. I love first of all, the traditional blue Ford color, and blue and white. So it's like a marine dark blue. Very beautiful paint job. And we have a number 8 in white. So this one, I'm guessing why it's in factory fresh, because this is the actual car that raced in that one race. I don't know. I think this is how it looks now. So this is how it comes out of the factory. Look at that. The hood looks menacing. Looks so cool. It has a big 8 in a circle on a white, plastered right on the front of the hood. And you got the lights there. On the side, you got another 8 with the Hot Wheel logo. And let's zoom in real quick. And what is that? Another logo. It says, oh, let me put it down. Okay, hold on. Can y'all really tell what that is right there? I cannot tell. I just know it says Ford right here in the bottom, but what's that logo right there? I know it says Auto something. Y'all can help me out. If y'all can help me out, really appreciate it. Trying to figure out what those logos mean. But the body is what catches my eye. Very cool body work on this one. A lot of details. You can feel it on the roof, on the trunk as well. And the sad part about these, that the temples on the lights on the rear, they're not there. But for some, that could be a good project to have, you know, to paint the lights and the details that are missing. The wheels are super cool too. You know, it has a good thickness to the wheel, to the tire, and the rim is not like too big. You know, it's nice and proportioned to the car. It's a nice portion. These are nice wheels. That's all I'm saying. Nice wheels. They're good year. Super cool. Super cool casting. I don't know about y'all, but this one has to be one of my favorite ones out there. Here's the bottom in black. No details, just flat. Usually Hot Wheels usually these cars have, you know, the textures of the muffler, the parts of the under the car. Not this one. This one's just pretty much just flat. But it is awesome. It is beautiful, and I love it. So yeah, gotta give it up to Hot Wheels. These factory fresh cars are legit, so they're cool. I recommend you picking them up, especially this GT40, man. That one's cool. But we also have the Vespa. The Vespa is an awesome casting, unique. You know, I think, I'm not sure, but I think this is the first year that I've seen the Vespa, so that one's cool. You know, you can't go wrong with the Stingray, and especially this one, super cool and pretty white. So I hope you all having a good one. Stay safe, and good luck in the hunt. So I wish you guys a good one. See you in the next one. Bye. Muchas gracias por entretenerte en el video. Nos vemos en la próxima. Mucha suerte en la cacería. Y hasta la otra. Hasta luego. Bye.